In today's video, we are counting down the top 15 most romantic Turkish series that will sweep you off your feet, from heart-fluttering love stories to unforgettable on-screen chemistry, starting with number 1. Asla Vazgeçmem, I Never Give Up. Asla Vazgeçmem is a captivating Turkish drama that tells the story of Yiğit, a successful yet emotionally closed-off businessman who doesn't believe in love. Despite his past struggles, he builds a powerful life for himself through hard work. Noor, a pure-hearted and beautiful young woman from the countryside, moves to Istanbul after losing her parents, hoping to build a new life. Fate brings Noor and Yiğit together, and their connection is instant and intense. As they fall deeply in love, their relationship faces unexpected obstacles rooted in Yiğit's past. Secrets, hidden truths, and emotional battles threaten their happiness. The story unfolds in a glamorous yet turbulent world filled with passion, loyalty, and heartbreak. Surrounded by family pressures and complex relationships, the couple must fight to protect their love. Asla Vazgeçmem is a beautifully intense Turkish drama filled with emotional twists, complex relationships, and passionate performances. While the storyline can feel overly dramatic at times, the chemistry between the leads and the strong acting keep you invested. If you enjoy love stories filled with challenges, secrets, and suspense, this series is worth watching. Number 2. Aslanelem. This series follows the Lion family, living happily on their ranch for 30 years, faces turmoil when Burcu, a wealthy university student, arrives claiming ownership of their home. Vedat, a farmer, and his wife Hatice, along with their 4 sons Gerrit, Murat, Umut, and Mutlu, must navigate this unexpected challenge. Burcu, whose life is turned upside down by her father's corruption scandal and subsequent disappearance, discovers she owns the ranch and demands the family leave. The family's peaceful existence is threatened as they confront Burcu's claims and try to maintain their home and way of life. Aslanelem is a light-hearted Turkish comedy with a strong family theme, featuring humorous and enduring characters. While the show offers plenty of laughs and heartfelt moments, some characters feel overdone, and the filming quality improves gradually. Akin Akinozu's performance stands out, though the chemistry between lead characters can be lacking at times. Number 3. Mencerimi Ara, Call My Agent. Mencerimi Ara follows the story of Dicle, a recent radio and television graduate who moves to Istanbul to pursue a career in entertainment but struggles to find a job. Desperate, she seeks help from her estranged father Kiraç, a prominent agent who secretly hires her at his agency Ego. Despite harsh conditions, Dicle is determined to prove herself without revealing her identity as Kiraç's daughter. She becomes an assistant to Agent Ferriz and navigates the challenging world of celebrity management. Along the way, she meets actor Bariz, and they develop a mutual attraction while trying to keep their personal and professional lives separate. The story intensifies with the unexpected death of Ego's founder, complicating the dynamics at the agency. Mencerimi Ara offers a refreshing look into the world of talent agencies, with a compelling storyline and strong performances, particularly by Esin Eroglu. The series effectively balances humor, drama, and behind-the-scenes insights into the entertainment industry. However, as the plot progresses, it sometimes falls into cliched territory and struggles with consistency due to behind-the-scenes changes. Despite these issues, it remains an engaging watch for its unique premise and dynamic characters. Number 4. Kaderimin Yıldızı, A Part of Me. The series revolves around the Yorukhan family, who, while celebrating the pomegranate harvest, face tensions due to Defne's inability to have children. Defne and her mother-in-law, Qimet, decide to hire a surrogate, Elif, to bear their child. Elif, a young girl from a troubled background, agrees to the arrangement, believing the child she carries will be for Daphne and her husband, Kahraman. However, unbeknownst to Elif, is carrying Kahraman's child, not hers. The truth is eventually discovered, causing chaos as Daphne becomes furious and Kahraman and Elif develop feelings for each other. Daphne, heartbroken and enraged, conspires with a man named Maqsood to separate Kahraman and Elif, while Elif remains unaware of the depth of the situation. As secrets unravel, emotions escalate, and the characters are caught in a complex web of love, betrayal, and manipulation. The series offers intense emotional drama, passionate love stories, and unexpected twists. While it may feel repetitive to some, its compelling characters and chemistry between the leads keep it engaging for fans of Turkish drama. Number 5. Gumush. Gumush follows Mehmet Sadoglu, who is broken by his girlfriend's death in a car accident, is urged by his family to marry Gumush, a girl who has loved him since childhood. Although Gumush initially rejoices at the chance to be with Mehmet, she soon realizes he is emotionally distant and still grieving his lost love. Despite this, she remains patient, hoping that Mehmet will eventually reciprocate her feelings. As time passes, Mehmet begins to see Gumush in a new light and falls in love with her. The series unfolds as a modern Cinderella story, showcasing Gumush's transformation from a humble girl to a figure of success, driven by her enduring hope and love. It portrays how a single event can drastically alter one's life, echoing the dramatic shift in Gumush's fate. Gumush is a melodramatic series that combines classic soap opera elements with a modern Cinderella twist. While the romance between Gumush and Mehmet starts off engaging, it tends to drag with repetitive plotlines and melodramatic moments, especially during the prison subplot. The character development often feels shallow, and the series' portrayal of certain situations can be overly idealized. However, the show's charm lies in its passionate love story and the transformation of Gumush from a humble girl to a successful woman. Despite its flaws, it is one of the most popular drama series in the Arab countries, captivating millions with its blend of drama and romance. Number 6. Kalbimdeki Deniz, Second Chance. Second Chance is a Turkish drama series that follows the life of Deniz, a woman who has everything: a wealthy lifestyle, a loving family, and a happy marriage. Her life takes a dramatic turn when her husband, Alihan, disappears without a trace, and she later discovers that he has run away with his lover, Shebnem, with the help of her cousin Hulya. Just 3 days after his disappearance, Deniz loses all her wealth, leaving her destitute with her 2 children and elderly father. Forced to move into a poor neighborhood, Deniz struggles to adapt to her new life and protect her family. During this difficult time, she meets Merit, who becomes her support and potential love interest. As Deniz fights to survive and rebuild her life, she faces the challenges of trusting others again and learning to find hope and strength in the face of betrayal. The series explores themes of love, loss, and survival through powerful storytelling and emotional drama. While the storyline of betrayal and survival has potential, the execution can feel unrealistic and overly dramatic at times. Some viewers might enjoy the emotional journey and strong performances from the cast, but others might find the plot repetitive and hard to follow. If you enjoy melodrama and emotional twists, it could be worth a watch, but it's not for everyone. Number 7. Aji Ashk. In a world where love intertwines fates, Bulat, trapped in a loveless marriage with Sudey, finds solace in the enchanting violinist Meleka at a hotel opening. Their instant connection ignites a forbidden romance, shadowed by Sudey's desperate longing for affection and Ali's unwavering devotion to love. Unbeknownst to Bulat, Ferman, his employer and Sudey's father, holds a dark secret. His negligence led to Bulat's father's tragic death. As Melek and Bulat explore their passionate bond, Suday's jealousy brews, complicating their lives. Ali, a steadfast friend, grapples with his own feelings for Suday, torn between loyalty and love. The story unfolds with her take and sacrifice, questioning whether true happiness can emerge from such tangled emotions. Can Bullet confront his past and break free from Suday's hold? Will Melika find the courage to fight for their love? Amidst the chaos, each character must choose between passion and the painful sacrifices that love demands. In the end, it fully captures the tumultuous journey of love and sacrifice, featuring strong performances, particularly from Seçkin Özdemir as Bullet. The intense romance between Bullet and Melik is compelling, though some may find the melodrama excessive, and it is also true that there are a lot of episodes of this series which seems a little too draggy, but overall, it's a captivating series that explores the complexities of the heart, resonating with fans despite its flaws. Number 8. Heart of the City. Ali, a man with a troubled past, reluctantly returns to Istanbul, where he inadvertently becomes entangled in a series of unexpected events. While attempting to help a young girl named Dirin, he loses his passport, setting off a chain of unpredictable encounters. Dirin, engaged to Yigit, seeks a day of freedom and finds an unexpected connection with Ali. As they spend the day together, their lives take unexpected turns, challenging their preconceptions and altering their futures. Meanwhile, Ali's passport issue leads him to a surprising revelation about his own identity. What will happen next? Watch this amazing series to find out. Number 9. Kara Para Ashk. It is a fantastic love story of Omar, a dedicated and idealistic police officer, and Elif, a successful designer living in Italy, who returns to Istanbul to celebrate her birthday with her father. However, Omar and Elif's lives are unexpectedly converge when tragedy strikes. Omar's fiancée and Elif's father are killed together in a car, linking the two strangers in a mysterious crime. As Omar and Elif investigate, they unearth a connection to diamonds, sparking a reluctant partnership to solve the complex puzzle, where their paths intertwine in a dangerous dance of crime, deception, and the quest for justice. This is a fantastic series to watch. However, there are many repetitive scenes, but I will highly recommend you to give this series a try. Number 10. Bana Save May Anlat, Wings of Love. Wings of Love follows Leela, a beautiful single mother, returns to her father's home in Germany with her young son, Ruzgar, after a tumultuous marriage. Desperate for stability, she reluctantly agrees to marry Hasmet, a charming businessman with a dark, criminal side. On her wedding day, Leela discovers Hasmet's true nature and, fearing for her son's safety, flees, only to unknowingly seek refuge in the car of Alper, a talented chef grappling with his own turmoil. Alper's life has been turned upside down, his brother has died in a tragic accident, and his wife, Berna, lies in a coma, leaving him to care for their daughter alone. Struggling financially, he takes a job as a manager at Hasmet's restaurant, unaware of the dangers that lie ahead. As Leela and Alper's paths intertwine, they embark on a perilous journey filled with unexpected love and shared hardships. Together, they must navigate the challenges posed by Hasmet, who relentlessly searches for Leela. Amidst the chaos, Alper and Leela find solace in each other, forging a bond that defies their troubled pasts and uncertain futures. According to me, Wings of Love is a captivating series that masterfully explores the depths of love, be it romantic. With stellar performances and a well-crafted narrative, it keeps viewers engaged through a blend of drama, romance, and unexpected twists. The diverse love stories add richness, making it a memorable watch with a satisfying ending. Highly recommended for anyone seeking a compelling and emotional journey. Number 11. Kordugum, Intersection. This series follows the love triangle, which unfolds between businessman Ali Nejat, car designer Umut, and Naz, Umut's wife. Ali Najat, haunted by a tragic accident that claimed his nephew's life, struggles with guilt and a strained family relationship. On a business trip to Italy, he meets Naz, a compassionate doctor who saves his friend's life, and they find themselves returning to Istanbul together after she misses her flight. Naz is married to Umut, a devoted mechanic who has sacrificed his ambitions for her education but now feels unappreciated and resentful. As Naz and Ali Najat's paths intertwine, she inadvertently changes both their lives. Ali Najat's interest in her grows, and Umut sees a chance to fulfill his dream of creating his own car with Ali Najat's financial backing. As Ali Najat learns he is a father to a young boy named Karn, Naz becomes a key support in his life, deepening their connection. This complicated dynamic sets the stage for emotional struggles and choices that will impact all three characters, testing their loyalties and desires amid ambition and heartache. No doubt, Intersection offers a gripping narrative with strong performances. But even though the first two seasons captivate with emotional depth and relationships, but I have a huge disappointment with the character developments in season 3, especially regarding Ali Najat's choices. The shocking turn of events, including Naz's fate, feels jarring and unsatisfying. While the series excels in storytelling and character arcs initially, the later episodes leave unresolved tensions and a sense of rushed conclusions. Overall, it's a worthwhile watch, but the ending may not sit well with all fans. Number 12. Benim Hala Umudum Var, I Still Have Hope. This series follows Umut, who is a kind-hearted young woman, working as a manicurist, living in a challenging home environment filled with jealous, and abuse from her stepfamily. Her life takes a turn when she meets Ozan, a wealthy and charming man who, fearing prejudice against his class, pretends to be poor. They fall deeply in love, navigating their feelings in secrecy to avoid the scrutiny of their respective families. As their relationship blossoms, Ozan struggles to reveal his true identity, wanting to protect Umut from her abusive home life. Their love story unfolds like a modern Cinderella tale, highlighting the stark contrasts between their worlds. Tensions rise as secrets threaten to surface. Ultimately, they must confront the obstacles that stand in the way of their happiness. According to me, this series offers an engaging premise with a modern Cinderella storyline, but it tends to drag as the episodes progress, often feeling repetitive. Number 13. Gauch Jamani, Time of Departure. Gauch Jamani follows Janet, a resilient woman, is forced into an arranged marriage with Jamil as his second wife after fleeing Mardin with her daughters. In Istanbul, she faces hostility from Jamil's first wife, Hanim, who is unable to have children and feels threatened by Janet's beauty and talent as a carpet weaver. Hum manipulates Jamil and takes Janet's sons, raising them as her own, while Janet is left with only her daughters. As Janet's suffering deepens, she dreams of a better life for her children, especially Zumrat, whom she wants to send to school in Istanbul. In a cruel twist, Jamil eventually marries Janet off to landowner Faisal to settle his debts. The series unfolds the themes of motherhood, resilience, and the struggles of women in a patriarchal society. Janet's journey highlights her fight for her daughters' futures amidst family battles and societal constraints. Even though this series captivates with its exploration of cultural struggles and resilient characters, particularly Janet. However, the plot becomes convoluted and the final disappointingly undermines the series' strong start, leaving viewers confused. While the themes are poignant, the execution falters, ultimately overshadowing its initial promise. Number 14. Yalanjilar ve Mumlari. This series centers on four female friends navigating the complexities of their lives and relationships. Elif, a grieving widow and single mom, struggles with her husband's death. Jada, a busy wedding planner, has no time for a personal relationship. Shabnam appears to have a perfect life, but her struggle to conceive is straining her marriage. Maliha, a successful psychiatrist, starts an affair with one of her patients, challenging her logical demeanor. The series explores their adventurous and scandalous journeys in dealing with these issues. The series features strong performances and engaging emotional depth, though some might find the storyline lacking in excitement. Overall, it's a heartfelt drama with impressive production and cast. Number 15. Sun Yaz. Sun Yaz is a captivating Turkish series that deftly balances drama, romance, and suspense. With well-developed characters and realistic relationships, the show hooks viewers from the start. This series follows Selim, an idealistic prosecutor, accepts a risky offer from a former mafia member to end organized crime in Istanbul, pledging to protect the man's son, Agun. Agun, entrenched in his father's dangerous world, struggles to accept his father's decision to become a witness. Meanwhile, Selim's neglected wife, Jana, seeks a divorce after 18 years of marriage and vows to pursue her own career. Their daughter, Yağmur, supports her mother's decision and resents her father's neglect. Selim's attempt to reconcile with Jana leads to a turbulent journey to Izmir, where their presence disrupts the family dynamic. Amidst these tensions, Agun and Yağmur find themselves drawn to each other, further complicating the situation. Even though the ending may leave some wanting more, Sun Yaz remains a must-watch for its gripping storyline and stellar cast. So that was the video, friends. If you want to know about more romantic Turkish series, then please click here.